Hi, and welcome to Kiddos Koral. The first meal that I'm going to show you is my homemade bologna salad. It's just very simple but filling, and I'm pairing this off with some Doritos and my favorite, a Dr. Pepper. Now we're having some chicken fajitas, and we like to top our chicken fajitas with some thick and chunky salsa. We like the hot. And some taco style cheese with some sour cream. Very simple, easy dinner, and recipe will be down below. Now we are having my cheddar chicken pot pie. Oh, it's topped with some fresh rosemary. It is so delicious, and this is definite comfort food. Now we're having a very simple meal of fish sticks, and I don't know about you, but this takes me back to my childhood. I love a good fish stick. And I'm using my air fryer for some Aldi brand seasoned fries. Now we're having some simple spaghetti. I love a good chunky sauce and just some simple garlic bread that I simply made with white toast. Now Ronnie's favorite is the cabbage casserole topped with taco cheese. Very, very good. And I made some pineapple cherry dump cake. And the recipe for this will be down below as well. And this is a huge hit in this house. Now I made some homemade mac and cheese. Oh, so good. It's one of my favorites. And some fried potatoes with garlic and rosemary. And some salmon patties. Now I'm trying a new recipe. Now I will link the recipe down below for you all, but the original recipe calls for sirloin steak to be used, and because of the meat shortage and the expense, I am using chop steak. And I just simply dredged the steak in some flour, and I am frying it up until it is done in a little bit of olive oil. And now I am making the vegetable part of the sauce. I've got a little oil and some butter and some garlic, and I'm going to melt that down. Then I'm going to add in my onions and fresh mushrooms and allow those to get a little tender. Now you're seeing my sauce here with the vegetables in it, and it's simply made with some chicken stock. Actually beef stock, excuse me, and I'm just adding all the beef to it, and then to thicken it you just add flour. There it is, served on top of some egg noodles. Oh, so good. Well, what's a week without pizza night? This is the new Shaquille O'Neal pizza. Now we're having some simple chicken fajitas, again Ronnie's favorite. But this time I had some time to put a couple really good zucchini breads. Now I am making my orange Jello salad. I have the recipe, I will link it down below, but you're just simply looking at me mixing the ingredients together. This is something that I have to double because I cannot stay out of it. It is one of my favorites. And now I'm putting the Cool Whip in. Now I made ricotta and spinach stuffed lasagna rolls. Oh, so good. Here they are, and I'm just going to simply top them off with a little bit of fresh Parmesan cheese. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this inspired your meals, and thanks so much for watching.